Hi, it's Zach here with a really fun deal for you today. It's on the wheelie lights. These are motion activated LED light sticks that actually go on the valves of your inflatable tires. Whether it's on your bike, it's on your tractor, your ATV, or even your car, this is a really fun way to spruce up your vehicle. Now they're super easy to install. You just take the cap off of the tire valve and then you put this on top of it, and as the tire moves, it's going to light up consistently. Now the thread on here is universal. It fits most threads of valves that are on inflatable tires, and they even give you adapters for more high-end road bikes and European bikes, but for the most part you'll be using the one that's already on there. And what's great about this is that they're just so much fun. They look like little Star Wars lightsabers. You can put them on your bike or your kid's bike. It's a really cheap and really cool upgrade just to throw on there for fun, but these are also great for safety. If you're cycling at night, this makes it super easy for cars to see you out there on the road. These do come with the 3 button cell batteries. You'll need to power them up right out of the box. One thing to note is that you're going to want to take that little plastic tab out of the battery compartment before you fire them up. Now, I did mention that these come in different colors. Now, there is no color choice available, but that's going to keep our cost really low. They come in blue, red, and green. All the colors are super fun and super affordable. We have a great deal on this, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.